Cześć, it's Dorota. Welcome to Polish with Dorota. You liked very much my video lesson about new method of learning Polish, about mixing and matching without knowing too much of grammar. This is the second part of this method. Today you will learn 30 words that you can use with phrases it is, it was, it will be. So you will be able to build 90 sentences after this video. Actually, even more, because I will add 2 more words that you should already know from the previous lesson. If you haven't watched it yet, go to the description, click the link and watch it first. This video is not only for people who are very beginners in Polish, but also if you have been learning for a while, for a couple of months, or even for over a year, I believe that this will be useful for you as well, because you will learn how to build correct sentences, and probably you will also learn some new words, and additionally I will explain what are the nuances when it comes to using these words. Before we start, I want to share with you some of my other videos for very beginners. So please watch this video about most useful phrases in Polish language, and the other video about some questions that will help you to get around in Poland. This is based on my own experience when I was learning Albanian and I was in Albania, so trust me, this helped me a lot. Also watch the video about days of the week in Polish. This will give you a nice base, a nice foundation of Polish. But if you would like to learn with a teacher, with someone who will guide you through the process, who will tell you why is it so, and who will correct you not only your grammar mistakes but also your pronunciation, then you can join my online Polish school. My teachers are great professionals and very nice persons as well. You will learn with other students who are just like you, who want to learn Polish and want to know more about Polish culture. Just click the link in the description and contact me to enroll to our great courses. Okay, but we start the lesson about phrases starting from it is, it was, it will be. How to say is in Polish. If you watched the first video about the new method, you should know this. Is in Polish is jest. Jest. It is to jest. To jest. To jest means also this is. Both it is and this is. And how to say it was and this was? To było. To było. And it will be, this will be? To będzie. To będzie. Now I will tell you 30 sentences starting with to jest. They can mean both it is and this is, and you can use all the words that follow to jest with the phrases to było, it was, this was, and to będzie, it will be, this will be. I will repeat each phrase twice. Make sure to repeat after me to learn faster and better. To jest dobre. Repeat with me. To jest dobre. It is good. To jest super. To jest super. It is great. It's awesome. This sentence is quite colloquial. Don't use it in an official situation. To jest fajne. To jest fajne. It's nice, it's cool when you like something because it's fun, it's nice, like a new gadget or a fun activity. To jest fajne. It's also colloquial. To jest ładne. To jest ładne. It is pretty, it's nice when you like something visually. To jest ładne. And similar one, but meaning it's easy, to jest łatwe. To jest łatwe. Another one, to jest trudne. To jest trudne. It's difficult. To jest skomplikowane. To jest skomplikowane. It's complicated. To jest ciekawe. To jest ciekawe. It's interesting. To jest interesujące. To jest interesujące. Yes, it means also it's interesting. So what's the difference? Actually, they both mean completely the same, but to jest interesujące uses simply an international word, where ciekawe, it's a Polish word, but these are synonyms. So you can use either one or another. To jest okropne. To jest okropne. It's awful, it's terrible. To jest okay. To jest okay. It's okay. To jest białe. To jest białe. It's white. If you're curious about other colors in Polish, go to my short video about colors in Polish, but make sure to change the last letter to e, like here, białe, English I, Polish e. Why? I will say that in a couple of minutes. So it's white means to jest białe. To jest białe. To jest możliwe. To jest możliwe. It's possible. To jest moje. To jest moje. It's mine. To jest twoje. To jest twoje. It's yours. I've got a full lesson about mine and yours, and the link is in the description. So if you're curious how it is, just go and click the link in the description. To jest ważne. To jest ważne. It's important. It's an important word. Ważne. To jest nowe. To jest nowe. It's new. To jest stare. To jest stare. It's old. To jest pierwsze. To jest pierwsze. It's first. To jest ostatnie. To jest ostatnie. It is last. That's the last one. To jest ostatnie. To jest małe. To jest małe. It's small. To jest duże. To jest duże. It's big, it's large. To jest drogie. To jest drogie. It's expensive. To jest tanie. To jest tanie. It's cheap. To jest otwarte. To jest otwarte. It's open. To jest zamknięte. To jest zamknięte. It's closed. To jest miłe. To jest miłe. It's nice. It's kind. You can use it when there's a nice situation. For example, when someone compliments you or someone helps you, you can say, "O, to jest miłe." To jest dziwne. To jest dziwne. It's strange. It's weird. To jest gotowe. To jest gotowe. It's ready. And the last one, to jest głupie. To jest głupie. It's stupid. These were 30 phrases starting with to jest, it is, or this is, and you can use all these words together also with phrases. It was, to było, and it will be, to będzie. So, for example, we want to say it was ready, it is ready, it will be ready. To było gotowe. It was ready. To jest gotowe. It is ready. To będzie gotowe. It will be ready. And if you watched my first video about Polish method or my video about days of the week in Polish, you are able to say already it was ready on Monday or it will be ready tomorrow. So to było gotowe w poniedziałek. It was ready on Monday. To będzie gotowe jutro. It will be ready tomorrow. So remember, this method is all about mix and match. You have certain groups of words and you can build a lot of phrases with them. Okay, but how to say it is not, it's not, or it was not, it wasn't, it will be not, it won't be? It's very easy in Polish. After to, you just add nie, which means no or not. So, to nie było gotowe. It was not ready. To nie jest gotowe. It is not ready. To nie będzie gotowe. It won't be ready. And that's it. Very, very easy. So how to say it wasn't important? To nie było ważne. How to say it's not easy? To nie jest łatwe. Or it won't be cheap. To nie będzie tanie. Easy, right? To jest łatwe. It is easy. And how to say it is very easy? You should know how to say very from the other video. Very is bardzo. So, to jest bardzo łatwe. It is very easy. And how to say it's a bit difficult? How to say a bit, a little bit? Trochę. To jest trochę trudne. It's a bit difficult. What you need to know also is that Polish people often say all these phrases, all these sentences without jest. Simply to możliwe. It's possible. To moje. It's mine. To twoje. It's yours. To dobre. It's good. Why? Because to means both is and it. But never mind why, just remember, you can use either to jest dobre, to jest moje, or you can just say to dobre or to moje. It depends a bit on the context and you will get it with time, but listen to Polish people and you will hear both ways, both options. Okay, so these are the 30 words that you've learned today, and what they have in common. What do they have in common apart from super and okay? They all end in e. English e, which is pronounced as e in Polish. Dobre, interesujące, gotowe. But you may ask, okay, but in the previous lesson you said that ready is gotowy for a man and gotowa for a woman, and now we have gotowe? Why? Because here the word gotowe, it's a neuter gender. The word to grammatically is of neuter gender, so-called neuter gender, and all the words that describe to need to end with e. To jest gotowe. To jest dobre. If you want to learn more about Polish grammar, I have a great course for you for the beginning. It is a course about first Polish case, nominative case, mianownik, and it's very, very useful when you're starting your journey with Polish language. It's available on my website. Click the link in the description to find out how it works and to watch the first lesson for free. But if you're not interested in grammar so much, just remember that to jest needs a word that ends in e afterwards. How did you like this lesson? Write in the comments if you have any questions about other words that could follow a phrase to jest. Maybe you have some other ideas. So thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video lessons on YouTube. Pa pa!